so please welcome to the stage Mr. Rory McGrath.
Thank you very much indeed. Wow, aren't they good? The changing room. But we'll soon change that. Right, anyone here from Red Ruth? Yeah. Oh, good. You left home. What?
5 quid.
5 quid? That's good. That's not bad at all. Right, how's this sounding, Chris? Can you hear that? Oh, damn. Right, how many Cornish speakers do we have in here? Oh no, that's bad. It's a song I wrote a long time ago about Cornwall, and it's a nostalgic song, and I wrote it, I didn't intend it to be a Cornish entry in the Minorities Eurovision Song Contest, which takes place in Italy in December. And I wrote this song, and I thought, Tanya has helped me translate it with the lovely Dr. Ken George, and they've translated this song into Cornish. So this is the first. This is the first time I ever sung it in public. And possibly the last time. I don't know. It did get through to the last 50 in the minorities languages, or was it the first 50? Anyway, it's a very serious song. I know that I normally do comedy songs, but this is a very serious song. It's a very intense song. It's about someone who's stuck in London during the summer of the riots, and he's pining for the beaches of Cornwall and the women of Cornwall and the rattler of Cornwall and the pasties of Cornwall. So it's a very serious song. I should say, there is something quite odd, I know, ludicrous about somebody singing an extremely serious song in a language you don't all understand. It can look a bit foolish. So if you think I look like a twat singing this, please don't snigger, because this is a very serious song. Oh, the other thing I should mention is, because my memory is not as good as it was, at least I don't think it is, like, can't remember how good it was. I've got the words written down here, taped to this foldback monitor here. But actually, my eyesight's so fucked I can't read it. So if I do this during the song, you'll know why. Sorry, that's my eyesight. My mother was right. It's a very serious song, don't laugh. Just feel the intensity of it. If